Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
In this week's court report, 2 suspects arrested after being accused of holding a female victim against her will in the guest house of Pahrump area property for a week were scheduled on the Justice Court docket for their formal arraignment earlier this afternoon. Samantha J. Keys and Calvin Beasley are facing a laundry list of charges. Keys faces charges including kidnapping, first degree, with use of a deadly weapon or tear gas, kidnapping, second degree, with use of a deadly weapon or tear gas, conspiracy to commit kidnapping, and coercion involving force or immediate threat of force. Beasley is facing charges including kidnapping first degree with use of a deadly weapon or tear gas, kidnapping second degree with use of a deadly weapon or tear gas, conspiracy to commit kidnapping, coercion involving force or immediate threat of force, and own or possess firearm by prohibited person. During Keys's first appearance, the court advised that probable cause was found and set bail at $202,500 cash or bond. The defendant motioned for a bail reduction, but the state opposed and the motion was denied by the court, so Keys was remanded to the custody of the Nye County Sheriff's Office. During Beasley's first appearance, the court advised the defendant that probable cause was found and bail was set at $20,000 cash or bond. The defendant made an oral motion for an OR release or bail reduction, but the state opposed and Beasley was remanded into custody, with the Justice Court noted that he is in custody $40,000 cash or bond. The local man arrested after police received a report of an adult male soliciting a minor female for prostitution is scheduled in court tomorrow. Robert M. Pearson allegedly offered a juvenile victim $1,000 if she would agree to have sex with him, but she declined. That's when Pearson reportedly asked that juvenile, who was a family member of the suspect's friend, if she knew someone 16 to 18 who would have sex with Pearson for $5,000. According to reports, the juvenile declined all offers of sex for money. Pearson is facing charges including sex trafficking, soliciting a child for prostitution, and being a habitual criminal. During Pearson's formal arraignment, the prosecution stated Pearson, who apparently has an extensive criminal history, received his new alleged charge while on bail during district court proceedings. The court denied Pearson's public defender's request for an OR release and set bail at $50,000 cash or bond for each charge, totaling $100,000 cash or bond. The court scheduled a preliminary hearing on February 15th and ordered the defendant remanded into custody. The California woman arrested following reports of a stabbing in the 400 block of Comstock Street in connection to a 44-year-old man who was reportedly the defendant's roommate had her case bound over to district court during her preliminary hearing. Sarah B. Ginsaw is charged with attempted murder with use of a deadly weapon or tear gas and battery with use of a deadly weapon causing substantial bodily harm. Ginsaw remains in custody, $50,000 cash or bond. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.